Howdy YouTubes. I'm gonna do a Zippo lighter collection video. I recently got this brass Zippo because of my recent brass fetish that I've acquired. But I watched a lot of Zippo Fanatics videos. He's got a whole bunch of Zippo videos because he is a Zippo fanatic. But I like this brass Zippo. It's from this year, 2023. I think F means June. And I also got the butane torch insert. I burn a lot of cardboard and sticks and branches and the ends of paracord a lot of times, doing paracord stuff. And I like to have a directional flame for all that kind of thing. I don't smoke. I switched from smoking to vaping probably 5 years ago, something like that. But this is keep it in my goat pouch, all my other goat accessories. I like this a lot. These butanes have a lot of problems, so Zippo Fanatic has a lot of tips and tricks videos. And he made me get, I can't think of what it is right now, Corelli butane fuel, something like that. I put a picture of it in here. Probably it's like a silver and blue can of premium butane fuel. So he said you gotta get the premium or these probably don't work very good. And it's been working very good, almost always. First light, sometimes 2 clicks, but I like it a lot. In the end of this video, I will show the rarest, only one in the world Zippo that I have in my possession. Some of these aren't Zippos, but I'm gonna show them anyways. I'm not really a Zippo collector. I just happen to have some over the years. Okay, I wasn't ready for class. So here's the Calibri. Quality is purity. 99.999% pure. So thanks, Zippo Fanatic. My torch is working good. Okay, here's my copper. I'm not really into copper that much. I do really like brass. But this is, I've never used it. Still brand new. And this one is from 2003. And the A should mean January. I don't do Zippo tricks. I don't know how to flip it. I'll probably drop it. I really like the sound of Zippo. Alright. Not a Zippo. It's probably a free giveaway type of thing, or came with a pack or 2 of Winston's. I did use this one. Flint's gone. Got this tiny camel lighter. Flip it up. Flint's gone in this one too. Old camel. And what do I got? I don't think my dad I think he just found this at my grandparents lately and gave this to me, or he found it at his own house, I don't know. So I don't know if this had little tiny cigarettes in it. I don't recall ever seeing a pack of cigarettes like this. Of course not in my time, but I mean even before my time. So I don't know that this lighter goes in this box. I think that says Kent, Japan. That's cool looking. Kind of fancy. And I do not remember where I got this either. Seems pretty old. Cigarette case lighter. And it is a Ronson. Push the little release button. Put your fancy little cigarettes in here. Pretty cool. Not a Zippo, just a funny little double barrel shotgun lighter. I just put some fluid in it a little bit ago. It was flaming like a gun shooting. It wouldn't hold the flame. No, it's not doing that. It might be cold out here. There it goes. Almost. So that one's not working, but it's cool. I've had it a long time. I forgot that I have this. I found it out in my shed. I forgot all about it. It's not working. I put fuel in it. I don't think it's sparking. I'm not sure if these run off some kind of battery or what. Flashlight works. Totally tactical. I did light it with this one. So the fuel is working and it gets really freaking big too. So it'd be cool if I get that working sometime. Let's see what else I got. This Zippo, I was trying to win in like a coin game thing. You put coins in, it pushes stuff around, tries to drop out. I think I put like 20 bucks into it, 20 something, and gave up. This was at a hotel and maybe Disney World or something with my wife and a couple of her friends. So I gave up on it. Went up to the room. A few minutes later, my wife's friend just put like a couple quarters in and she got it. She knew I was trying to get it, so she gave it to me. And this one is from February of '98. I did use this one for a while when I was smoking. It's got a couple chips. I like the picture, it's pretty cool. And it's in this cool case. this is Zippo Rule, but it's not a lighter. My dad just gave this to me too. This was from Grandma and Grandpa's house. It's a little tape measure. Some salesman probably gave it to my grandpa. He used to be head of the Ford shop at International Harvester. I had this in my goat pouch for a little bit. I would like to carry it, but I don't want something to happen to it, so I took it out. I'll just keep it in my cabinet. Maybe I'll find some other little tiny ruler or tape measure. And now for the greatest, only one in the world like it, rarest Zippo of all. Ta-da! I know you're like, what? The hinge is kind of broke. It's all dirty and old. But this was my dad's Zippo. And it is actually a 1970. So it's 4 years older than me. 1970 Zippo. So it's one of a kind because it was my dad's. I know I could send it off to Zippo and have them fix things, but I don't know that I want it fixed. So there it is. It's my dad's Zippo. Thanks, Dad. It's pretty cool. I've had this for a while. He quit using it. I found it in the junk drawer. Asked if I could have it a long time ago. So there's my collection. The rarest Zippo of all. Only one in the world. Thanks for watching.